Not long ago, we were looking for cash to pay toll operators at toll plazas. The government then introduced FASTag and made it mandatory, which made our lives a bit easier, with people now spending less than 47 seconds on average at the toll plaza. The government now intends to implement a GPS-based toll system in place of FASTag to ensure seamless payment and vehicle mobility. FASTag, which was launched in 2014, have seen significant growth in volume in the recent years. In fiscal year 22 itself, transaction volume has almost doubled in a single year. Now, the government plans to replace this with a GPS-based toll system. The new system will use automatic number plate reader cameras to read car license plates and automatically deduct tolls from vehicle owners' associated bank accounts. The government wants to put an end to the traffic jams and lengthy lines that toll plazas have caused. Even though the current FASTag system is quicker than cash payments, we still stop to allow tags to be read. Now, GPS toll system uses satellite-based navigation and requires no faulting as such. While this technology-driven initiative is very positive, it does come with its own challenges. There is obviously privacy concerns because a GPS tracker follows the movement of a vehicle, and also security challenges from linking our bank accounts. There is also implementation problem and will also force vehicle owners to go for another way to pay for the toll. After months of scorching inflation, things are finally looking a little better for the US. Inflation in the US eased to 8.3% in August from 8.5% in July. However, the print shattered the US markets because it was higher than the 8.1% that economists had expected. US annual inflation slowed slightly in August due to falling gasoline prices, and there was also a slight moderation in food prices. However, there were higher than expected spike in rent, medical care, restaurant meals, and goods. Now, these offset the decline that took place in gas prices. To get a better sense of underlying price pressures, let's look at the core CPI. Now, the core CPI, which takes highly volatile food and energy prices out of the index, rose 0.6% month over month over 0.3% in July. This shows inflation does remain stubborn in the US. For the past 8 months, the major worry weighing on markets throughout the world is inflation. The Consumer Price Index for August shows inflation cooling in the US, but not as much as many analysts had expected. Overall, the good news is gas prices are way down. The bad news is most categories are costing more. While the outlook remains uncertain and debatable, there are some real reasons to believe inflation will slow in the coming months. Supply chain pressures and commodity prices, for instance, are showing signs of easing. From a US context, the strong job market provides some comfort, giving Fed some flexibility to potentially reduce inflation without causing a significant spike in joblessness. So what does these news mean for you? While the thought of a toll-based GPS system being hassle-free and time-saving is positive, there are many challenges. This particular system requires regulatory framework, and a complete launch won't happen for years. For now, this will have an indirect neutral impact on you. The lower than expected inflation print bodes well for the US economy. However, prices are still historically high and the outlook remains uncertain. This will have an indirect neutral impact on you. While I say this is me, Merle Susanna signing off. Take care and stay invested.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app Informed Investor to watch more such informative and interesting videos.